hau kabere mwana wa kahii niwe urekaga wega mathomo-ini ona maundu-ini matiganite mugaro na matuku maya turi undu uria uronania mwana wa kahii ni mutiganiri akiringithanio na mwana wa kairitu. Kuringana na maumirira ma igeranio ya KCPE mwaka uyu, aria marekire wega hakuhi mathukuru mothe guku bururi-ini ni ciana cia airitu na mwana wa kahii akoneka atigitwo na thutha kuraya. Kuringana na Collins Muriuki wa ukuru wa miaka 14 kuma thukuru wa One Can Education Center tauni-ini ya Ruiru uria urageire na max 393 kigeranio gya KCPE, oigete aciari nio maracungiriria mwana wa kahii aremwo ni gwika wega mathomo-ini, akiuga mararumbuia mwana wa kairitu gukira mwana wa kahii na mwana wa kahii akaga mundu wa kumugitira na kumutara.
The boy child has lowered his self-esteem. Some have seen like they cannot make it.
Muriuki augete hau kabere mwana wa kahii ni arehokagirwo maundu maingi mugaru na matuku maya uria aciari matare na mahinda na ciana ciao cia tuhii.
The boy child is lacking role models. When you look at the men these days, some of them are sleeping in the roads shouting hakietu hakietu. So if you ask yourself, are these the role models we expect to have?
Bradley Ajere wa ukuru wa miaka 14 muruto wa St Peter's Academy Juja na uria wegwateire max 424 kigeranio-ini gya KCPE, oigete thirikari na ikundi tare cia githirikari ni iratogeria mwana wa kairitu na njira nene na gucungiriria mwana wa kahii one ta atiganirio na enyarare.
The girl child was being given much support and much was expected from her than from the boy child. Now the boy child has lowered his self-esteem. Some have seen like they cannot make it.
Mwalimu munene thukuru-ini wa St Peter Simon Aura ni uritie aciari mahimbirie mwana wa kahii ta mwana wa kairitu na makiria athuri magie na uigiririki hari kurera mwana wa kahii.
Even in their own homes, you find a child is coming from a home that even the father is not a role model, is not somebody he can look up to do something. And in most schools you'll find that when we want to help these children to grow up, we put more emphasis on the girl.
Kuiganania motungata ma mwana wa kahii na mwana wa kairitu no yo njira imwe iria ingicungiriria mwana wa kahii kwitikira na kurugama ta muthuri.